My name's Luke Holmes. My position is company director. I sort of specialise in the production side of things. And our company is called Lincframe Roof Trusses and we're based in Lincoln. The company produces roof trusses and floor joists, metal web floor joists. We do spandrel panels as well. We also supply loose timber and stuff like that. We're a family run business and we try to have that family touch where we sort of are approachable and our after sales is good. We make sure that we look after our customers that are reoccurring customers and just keep our prices fair really. We use it for noggins which fit between floor joists and also for gable ladders which fit on the end of roof trusses and they build up the gable end, so we consistently cut the same sort of lengths. It was the build quality of it and the efficiency of it, because the other products didn't have the nice clean clamping situation where you could clamp a piece of timber really small, whereas it used prongs either side to clamp the timber, which is no good for us when we want to have minimal offcut. We need the blade to be clamping over the top of where we're cutting, and that's what really set it above the rest. We were previously using a DeWalt pull crosscut, which was a lot more dangerous. I'm sure a lot of people know. You know, you have to hold it with a placeholder or your hand and it snags, and it's just bad equipment, old equipment really. The key benefits are we consistently get 90-degree plumb cuts. It doesn't snag, there's no room for snagging. Also the user is happier using it. It's a good piece of equipment, and when you invest in equipment, your productivity goes up, your staff are happier, they see it's got potential there and they want to exploit that. So yeah, and the safety features, it's just key to it. They were very good to deal with. They reminded us a lot of ourselves, of what we base our company on, being approachable, being easy to contact. Any problems we had, they addressed it. Yeah, they were just very straightforward and a good company to use, yeah.